Welcome to MVML. MVML is a hyper automation platform for businesses and individuals. Document Capture AI module will help you to extract data from structured and unstructured documents. Let us see how simple and easy it is to extract. First, let us create your account by entering your details on Login Register screen. Once you finish the registration, log in and select Business to upload the files. Create a document type like invoices, receipts, bills, lab reports, contract documents, etc. You can add keywords or fields or labels for these document types. Here, you can set the keyword types or you can set it later on. To identify the set of uploaded files, you can provide batch name and upload couple of sample documents initially. Once you upload the document, system will perform the pre-processing, OCR extraction and post-processing algorithms. Once you see the files in data output list, open one of the files. You will see the validation station. In validation station, the left-hand side section displays your original document image. In the middle section, it displays the extracted data. And on the right-hand side, you will see the template name or keywords or fields label information. Let us click on previous and next link to see the already uploaded documents. You will notice that the bot is not yet trained to extract the keyword values. Now, let us start training the bot. Here, first enter or select a template name. The template name should be the part of the document. Typically, it should be a unique identifier like business name or form number, etc. Then add the keywords or labels. You can create different keywords like invoice number, amount, city, state, zip, etc. Let us create a keyword city. Select the keyword type as city. Enter the maximum length and save. Let us create state keyword and zip keyword. You will see that the pre-trained bot extracted the city, state, zip keyword values accurately. Now, bot doesn't know where is the invoice number and total amount in this invoice. So, let us start training the bot. Click on the invoice number label and select the label value from the extracted data. In this case, invoice number starts with label TC hash. Let us select it. Bot will automatically extract the invoice number value. Again, click on the total amount label and train the bot that total amount means the word total in this invoice. Let us highlight the word total. Bot will extract the total amount automatically. Bot also extracts line item data from the invoice. Click on the table link and train the bot. What is the table start value and what is the table end value? In this case, table starts below the line ST hash and table ends above the subtotal. So, select ST hash as the table start value and subtotal as the table end value. The bot will automatically extract the line item values in the table. This is how you can train the bot and it will start learning based on your inputs and keep improving for a greater accuracy. You can approve the extracted data values by clicking on the checkbox. Once you go to the next document, you will notice that bot has extracted all the values accurately based on its training. Our bot learns extraction very quickly. If you would like to improve the bot performance on your complex or unstructured documents, please fill up Contact Us form and we will get back to you. MVML is ready for any structured or unstructured data extraction using our advanced hyper automation, custom built technology and machine learning algorithms. MVML platform can be installed within your network or in the cloud for your data security. For the pricing, please contact us. Thank you.